Alright guys, let's talk about this. So I'm currently at the junkyard trying to get these brake pedal situation settled in for my Nissan Xterra, which is a 2004 Nissan Xterra 3.3 liter V6. I know some of you have had this issue. I'm sure they have. So talking about the situation is the brake light switch, both of them, and you know, under the pedal, the little pin that goes in there, you guys can see it, and there's a back one right there. You pull that out, and my Nissan Xterra, the pin broke down. The pin, the little pin you see right there, this pin, it broke. So my lights will stay on and they will not go off. The last thing you want to do, and I don't recommend it, is to adjust the brake booster, which is not recommendable, because once you get the adjusted, your pedal's gonna be too high, and you don't want that to be too high. So if your pedal is sitting in the position where it's supposed to be, just leave it alone, don't touch it, unless you feel like there's something else, which is the spring. There's a spring under here that controls that. An example, like the gas pedal has a spring, right? Well, if that spring is broken and your pedal keeps going all the way down, well, yeah, you have to take it apart and put a new spring in there, and that's it. But in my situation, my Nissan Xterra, the pin broke down. Luckily, I came to the junkyard right here in Ontario, California, and I was able to find one with the brake switch and the cruise control switch, which I need too, because somehow that one broke. So what I'm doing right now, I took it apart completely. I took the top covers where it goes right here. They're right here. Took these off, took that off, took these off, and I took these off. And you can see how it looks right now. Now what you want to do is put this over here. I've been struggling with this Nissan all day, man. Well, not all day, but about 20 minutes. So now you want to remove, what you want to do is remove these bolts, which is our 12 millimeters, and the ones under the dashboard are 13 millimeters. So you will use a 12, then you will need a 13. So these ones are a 12. So you want to do is kind of no, that's the wrong way. Twist them out. So make sure you're in the clear of this thing when it drops, because it will drop hard, I think. Seen a video, this guy is doing this work and it lands right on top of his head and he's really hurt, so he had to call 911 in the middle of the YouTube video because he was bleeding hard. So safety is always first. Do not rush yourself to do this work, because at the end of the day you will do it no matter what. So what right now is the okay, I forgot to mention that part too. The brake light switch, the actual brake light switch power connector, and my Nissan Xterra burned and I can't find it. I'm in an auto zone, so I want to know if I cut this off with everything else, I should be able to take it home. Okay, alright, it's coming out slowly, but I'm gonna hold this. So there's these springs. I would recommend you not to move them, and the metric bolt, do not take it apart, because you're only taking apart the frame, so this definitely will come down altogether. So just leave it alone. Don't do that. All right, let's see. These 12 millimeters. They're really hidden, but they made it easy for you. So what you want to do is, because I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time and try to do this. All right, so it's coming now. This is another way you could use your wrenches, is facing them upward, and then you should be able to get these out of the way. I forgot my kit. I forgot my my little kit where I have all my wrenches and all my sockets. So I was like, I get here and I was like, damn it, how can I forget that? Luckily it's only 4 bolts, so it's not. All right, once you move it, get yourself clear of the way. All right, and let it drop. Completely let it drop. That's all. Ooh.